Yo, what's up 2K fans? Still stuck with old rosters, low-res graphics, and boring MyCAREER? Don't worry, I got you covered. This is the ultimate NBA 2K Android Mod Pack from 2K20 all the way to NBA2K26. And yes, it's completely working on all Android devices. Introducing NBA2K20-26 Android Mod Pack, VB98. This isn't just a small update, it's a total transformation of your 2K game. Here's what's inside this legendary pack. Updated rosters, 2014 to 2026. Real stats, trades, rookies, custom teams, like 2026. New face, 2026. JM Gamer ID, 2025 All-Stars. FIBA, PBA Season 49, and even 2024 Olympics, Paris. HD graphics mods, custom courts, FCOURT, PCOURT, 12-team court, HD accessories and player faces. Everything feels next-gen on mobile MyCAREER mods. Play as MC LeBron, Curry, Durant, DHarper, Kyrie, Hawks AD. Includes New Orleans 2K26 storyline. Realistic builds with real immersion. Run the streets, plus accessories, RTS mode fully unlocked. Custom gear included. Play offline or dominate the streets. Special teams and fantasy builds. Anime mods, 2K-ANIME. Hero 2K. Build your dream roster with fun. Creative matchups. Association mode. Become GM and run your own franchise. Manage trades, contracts, legends. Optimized settings and sliders. Enhanced gameplay balance, better defense, shooting, AI logic. Just plug and play. No F1VM, no virtual space, no root. Works on Android 5 to 14, plus everything is offline. Ready and tested for smooth performance, even on low-end phones. Download the full mod now using the MediaFire link in the pinned comment or the description below. And also remember, this free 2K new mod is have password. Most watch till the end. Need help installing? Watch my Telegram video tutorial. Link is in the description too. Wanna earn free load, smartphones, and gifts? Try Tongits Go. It's fun, fast, and real rewards. Check it out with my invite link and code in the pinned comment. So if you want latest rosters, HD mods, MyCAREER builds offline play, and a real NBA2K26 feel on Android, then this pack is 100% for you. Like the video if you enjoyed the content, comment your favorite team or build, subscribe for more epic NBA 2K mods and tutorials. Don't forget to turn on that bell so you never miss an update. This is Seraphic Kazuku, bringing fire to your game. Peace out, real ballers. Hoop and fire.
honey, no rings on me, ain't begging. Diesel, feeling I'm messing. Like feeling like Shaq, I'm shacking.
That little bitch, she savage. Hit it on top all night, I'm damaged.
Bomb, feeling I'm messing. Feeling like bomb.
I just wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wanna wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wanna wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wanna.
I'm running on diesel, baby, I'm active. Shawty wanna know what's happening. Baby, no cap, I'm captain. Honey, no rings on me, ain't begging. Diesel, feeling I'm messing. I feeling like Shaq, I'm shacking. That little bitch, she savage.
Hit it on top all night, I'm damaged.
Bomb, feeling I'm messing.
Feel like
Bomb. Dip, slide, when I wanna dive. Hit into the rhythm all day and night. Bags in the vibe, ain't no wasting the time. Gotta shoot my shot till I get what I like. Shawty really wanna fuck and I'm on one. Little homie looking bad, never got none. When a pop song, girl go pop off.
Mommy count that B2K.
I just wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wanna wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wanna wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wanna.
I'm running on diesel, baby, I'm active. Shawty wanna know what's happening. Baby, no cap, I'm captain. Honey, no rings on me, ain't begging. Diesel, feeling I'm messing. I feeling like Shaq, I'm shacking. That little bitch, she savage.
Hit it on top all night, I'm damaged.
Bomb, feeling I'm messing. Bomb.
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got a lot of the same friends, and soon enough there come a weekend when we just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right by now, and I didn't care. Been hiding from the truth, but it got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not ready to need you again, but I need you again. I'll be swept right now, and I didn't care. Been hiding from the truth, but it got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not ready to need you again. Funny how something can hurt you so bad, but you fall right back. Happens just like that, and I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same.